Bucket List Guy is back on another adventure across 3 states. What is it, 9 days?
9 days.
9 days. So it's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned and have a great one. Here we go.
I guess it starts with the violence.
Good time. Just get
That we all
you know,
see
our
from
first night,
headlines
we just got
highway
here,
traffic.
not even 10 minutes in,
It's in our energy.
and he buried the back end of his truck in the sand. It's like, Billy, no. And he didn't listen.
If you hide in the
But we used the winch and the tracks right here. Yeah, we also used something else that wraps around the tire and kind of gives it a big old knob to catch gravel on, but none of it was working. We had to use the winch. So he's out, safe. Let's see how this goes. Go for it. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Billy just got Jennifer a Red Ryder. On one of our big trips, the other gun got broken. What a guy! What a guy! Well, we've woken up in the morning. It's a beautiful place, right? But yeah, it's time to go. We gotta get out of here. As soon as that coffee's done, we're gone. Gone. Since we had to air down last night, because Billy had to get stuck. Gotta go ahead and pop them up before we get out of here. The lake's off in the distance over there, guys. That's Lake Mojave. Pretty cool little place. We actually didn't get to go down there, so I really wouldn't be able to tell you much about how cool it is. But yeah, we're on to the next. Just having a good old time. On to the next Vegas bound and Red Rock. What?
How you gonna live when the lights get low?
Alright guys, off of Max Canyon. Should be real nice. Get out of the desert a little bit. A little bit of trees. But you know, this is what we're working
You've
with.
been running through the forest.
Y'all want some of that dong
you
fang?
can't see.
Yeah, buddy.
You've been letting all your nightmares suffocate your dreams. I could take you to the valley, but you will never be free.
Top of the world, look at this. This is our camping spot for the next night and a half. Wow, what a view to wake up to, huh? Got the old trailer just sitting here. Got Billy taking pictures of his truck. What? Oh.
Lovell Campground.
Lovell?
Lovell.
Yeah.
Utah. This is Utah? Oh, this is bad.
Yeah, this is like, wait a minute.
Stand up, start a revival, and we'll all be free. Start a revival, and we'll all be free. Revival, revival, and we'll all be free.
Joshua tree. You ever petted a Joshua tree? You can only pet it one direction, just down. It's kind of like a bird. How's your trip going, Billy?
I'm getting cut up, but I'm looking great.
What up, guys? How was your first experience, your first location, like real location of camping? What do you guys think? Right? This place is
Wasn't too cold.
beautiful, right? Okay, let's see what she's saying. Holy cow. Yeah, we climbed right almost to that rocky area where it gets thick.
I'll make it out alive. I'll make it out alive.
Well, we found out that it's about another 1.5 miles up to go up that into there. So I think we're gonna call it at this. It's kind of a cool little pathway through here. There's tons of little trails over there as well. But they said 0.8 miles in, but that's just to the trailhead to go into the canyon. Cool thing about this trail though is from every angle, it is beautiful. my new house. You know, we got that upper lighting like up here, kind of like Billy's house. You know, I'm kind of jealous of that, so I had to follow it up. You know. But yeah, this is my little condo. You know, it's easy, rainproof. Get a little bit wet in the front though.
It's red.
It's red. I don't think they were lying. It's red rock.
It's really cool though.
I mean, I'd say it's more pink, orange. We've hiked Red Rock. We're going to now make our way over to Jennifer's friend's house and have a good old evening. Sit in the hot tub. It's been a heck of a day. A lot of hiking. I think we've done over 6 miles today. Pretty good for some amateurs over here. Where are we at?
Lake Las Vegas.
What? Look at this meal. Hi! An amazing looking meal. How you guys feeling today after the hike? You guys doing good?
Pretty good.
Say hi.
What's up, guys? Alright, we had our fun in Vegas. Crossed it like 4 times while we're on our way to Sidewinder Canyon. Should be pretty fun.
Victorious, I smile through it all. Like the warrior, I smile through it all.
What's up, guys? I almost totally just tripped. Dude, we finally made it. It's been a year since I've been here, and I'm pretty stinking stoked. Sidewinder Canyon. Definitely a place worth checking out. But you gotta really know what canyon to go into to find the real spots. And I ain't telling you.
But I know I will. I'll make it out alive. She said unity, you and me, that's the way I see it. You and I were once apart, half-empty cups on the boulevard. And lost, but we came together, found, but we've got each other now. And there's no doubt that now, you know it's one heart open on this bright horizon. Roaming free in the land of home. Your eyes are my eyes, your soul is my soul. It's a life forever together, wherever, walking as one. Walking as one. She said, come with me.
What do you guys think of Sidewinder Canyon? It's pretty windy. Pretty sidewindery. Jeez Louise.
Shit by each other now, and there's no doubt that now, you know it's one heart open on this bright horizon. Roaming free in the land of home. Your eyes are my eyes, your soul is my soul. It's a life forever together, wherever, walking as one. Walking as one. Walking as one. Walking as one. So we're all in this thing together now. You know there's so many things to figure out.
This is a waterfall.
So we're all in this thing together
I
now.
go to the head right here.
Well, there's so many things to figure out. We're all in this together now.
It's Jen's house now.
Welcome.
Give us
Skyline view.
give us a tour.
Right here.
It's so windy here. path just creates like this wind tunnel like you wouldn't believe.
My eyes, your soul is my soul. It's alive forever together, forever walking as one. Walking as one. Walking as one. Walking as one. She said unity, you and me, that's the way I see it. Well, I was standing on the roof of the house of the sun when I heard that song, a sweet devotion. I'm in the room, stood together.
You guys had a fun day so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What's been your favorite point of interest so far? Color palette? Yeah, I'd have to say so. I agree. Today. The whole week though, I'm not gonna lie, Sidewinder Canyon was definitely a blessing.
For you.
Open up your heart. Let the love come shining in. Come shining in. Whoa. Oh, yeah.
We're just hanging out, relaxing. It's kind of windy today. A lot windier than we expected, honestly. We kind of just came from Death Valley. It was super windy, 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. But it's okay, it's not so bad. We got a little shelter over there. Just hanging out in the back of the truck. Just relaxing. Such a nice day out. Yeah, this is where we ended up coming back because it was so pretty. We had to come back one more time before we go back home. So we'll be here the next 2 days, guys.
Let the love come shining in. Open up your heart. Let the love come shining in. Come shining in. Come shining in. And as we drive this winding road back to reality on the coast, we bring messages from above. While those colors paint the picture of love. Open up your heart. Let the love come shining in. Open up your heart. Let the love come shining in. Come shining in.
Like waking up to a little snow, you know.
Let the love come shining in.
Well, we did wake up in the morning to snow. As you can see on these other mountains, there's snow everywhere. So we're gonna head to the next location because we don't want to be cold. It is freezing out here. Well, we made it to Havasu.
Did not quite have a spike right next to it.
Yeah, it wasn't quite what we expected, but overall, enjoying ourselves. We got a little setup. We obviously haven't set up this way because we're trying to block some of this wind. I guess from Death Valley, we have literally taken all of the wind with us in every part that we have camped. Yesterday was like 26 mile an hour. Today we got at least 15 to 20. I mean,
Not as cold though, it won't be snowing.
yeah, it won't be snowing like it was this morning when we woke up, and it's super cold, but overall, we're happy.
Windows roll down, 'cause I don't care anymore, said I don't care.
Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. Who would have thought?
I'm standing on the top of a parking lot. I gave it all I had. Show me what you got. There's some things I found that make so much sound. All these words, I don't need them now. Out and out of my windows roll down, 'cause I don't care anymore, said I don't care.
Well, it's the morning of, we're heading home. I just wanted to take a few minutes and ask everybody like what was their favorite place and why it was their favorite place. Starting with Billy, what do you think, bro?
My favorite place was the scenic tour through Death Valley. That was really cool. Get to go through all the bends and see the turquoise and purple rocks. That was pretty neat.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat. What about you, Jan?
I would say the slots and color palette in Death Valley.
Yeah, that was definitely, the slots were very awesome, and yeah, the that scenic drive was really cool. Yeah, I'd say let's wrap this up and get out of here, guys.
Say what you want.